Now there's more than one way to fold up a cube, wouldn't you say? I've got some post-it notes here that I've actually taped together, and you'll notice that there are 6 of them, right, for a 6-sided cube. And you can see that if I fold them up, it'll take the shape of a cube, just like that. Now the question is, do you have a mind such that you can look at a flat object and in your mind think about it and see and test it in your mind to see if it'll make a 3D cube? Well, let's see. I've got another one here. Okay. How about this shape? Do you think this shape will make a cube? What do you think? Should we try it? It sure does. Huh. So this has to do with geometry too. How about this shape? You think this shape will make a cube? How about if I unfold it so it's actually 6 units long? Well, let's try. I've got 3 there, 3 here, and I can rotate them on top of each other, and I get a cube. But not all 2-dimensional shapes work this way. In fact, you'll find a sheet here you can download. And which one of here do you think can be made into a cube? For example, this one only has 5. Do you think that one can be made into a cube? So go ahead and circle or color in the ones you think can be made into cubes. Now you'll notice that we did this one, and we also did this one. So go ahead and give that a try. And I'll give you a hint. Only 11 out of all of these form cubes. Now look at this one. This one's just a straight line. You think a straight line, connected squares will make a cube? What do you think? Now, in addition to downloading the question, you can also download the answer. Here I've colored in the ones that make cubes. The rest of them do not. Go ahead and give that a try.